guys, it's Paskiiluv here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time on my channel, please be sure to hit the red subscribe button to join the family, join the squad. You are definitely welcome here. Anyways, you guys, I'm in the middle of editing and I realized that I didn't have an intro for you guys, and I really wanted this video to have an intro. So here I am popping in real quick to basically do the intro. Just so you guys know, I don't have my camera, so I'm currently using my front facing camera on my iPhone. I just want to let you guys know that even though the title of this video is moisturizing foot cream, you can definitely use this on the rest of your skin, especially now that we're in the fall. We're soon gonna be in the winter. You definitely want to have a thick moisturizing cream that you're using rather than the liquidy ones that you use in the spring and summer. This cream is super thick, super moisturizing. I love to just put it on my feet after a long day at work. I'm a nurse, I'm always on my feet, so it just feels really good to come home after a nice warm shower and having a really thick moisturizing cream that I can put on my body, my feet, throw some socks on. It's really a really good way to keep your heels healthy. So yeah, if you have cracked heels and you want to go ahead and see a change, I think a moisturizing cream is a really good way to go. Also, you know, there's other things you can be doing, like drinking more water and scrubbing your feet, getting regular pedicures, but in general, having a really moisturizing cream is just A1. So I really hope you guys try this cream. All the ingredients are organic. They are amazing for your skin, and you get to control what you put in there. You get to control the scent. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys see exactly how I did this cream, but I really hope you guys give it a try. All right, bye. Mwah. Hey guys, so for the moisturizing cream, you're going to need butters, oils, and essential oils. The first butter is shea butter, and this shea butter I'm using is organic, and as you can see from Google research, shea butter is full of naturally nourishing vitamins and fatty acids. The next one is mango butter, and mango butter is just a rich and moisturizing cream, perfect for dry skin. Up next for oils, the first one is coconut oil, and coconut oil is an awesome skin hydrator. The next oil is vitamin E oil. Helps to plump the skin and reduce fine lines, which is awesome for dry skin. Up next, we have rosehip oil, an excellent source of skin hydrator due to its many fatty acids. Up next, we have our essential oils. The first one is lavender oil, which is just great for dry skin. Also an antifungal, which is just awesome for your feet. Up next, we have lemon essential oil, which is a natural antibacterial and antifungal, and it doesn't dehydrate your skin. Up next, we have peppermint oil, which helps to soothe dry and irritated skin. Tingle in the mint also gives the skin a nice refreshing feeling. Next, we have tea tree oil, which is also great at soothing dry skin. It is also a natural antibacterial, which is just awesome for your feet. And last but not least, rosemary essential oil, a natural disinfectant and moisturizer. For utensils, the first thing you'll need is a large bowl. Here I'll be using a glass bowl, which is perfect for the double boiling method. Whisk or handheld mixer, in an airtight container to store your product in when you're done. For the double boiling method, start by boiling some water. Once it comes to a boil, take your glass bowl and add it to the water and start adding your butters. This way your butters will melt but not burn. So after adding my mango butter, here I'm adding my shea butter, a couple of tablespoons of the coconut oil. Give it a good mix, then start adding your other oils. I'm putting about a tablespoon of the vitamin E oil. Here I'm adding some drops of the rosemary oil. I'm honestly just eyeballing this. And for the rosehip oil, I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of it. And here I'm just eyeballing the rest of the essential oils. I added the peppermint oil, the tea tree oil, the lemon essential oil, and the lavender oil. Mix everything together once it comes to a melt. Then go ahead and remove your bowl from the hot water. I decided to go back in with some of my lavender oil because I wanted that smell to be stronger. And here I'm taking a plastic saran wrap and I'm just covering the bowl and then placing it into the freezer. You're going to leave that in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. And once you take it out, you should get that smooth consistency. You don't want this to freeze, so make sure you keep an eye on it while it's in the freezer. The consistency you're looking for is that buttery consistency. Up next, take your whisk or handheld mixer and start whipping it away. As you whip away, you'll soon start to realize that the consistency will start to change from a buttery consistency to a whipped cream consistency, which is what you're looking for. And to add it to your container, here I'm using a Ziploc bag, and I'm using the piping bag method. After adding it to the Ziploc bag, I'm just cutting a small hole at the bottom of the bag and start piping it away into the glass jar. Be sure to squeeze every last drop of this amazing cream into your jar. And last, to add a personalized touch to it, I'm just adding a label on the jar. Now, to use this moisturizer, as I mentioned in the intro, I like to use it after a warm shower on clean skin. One thing I love about this cream is how it melts to touch. Once you start to rub it in, you'll quickly notice how it just melts into the skin. It's super moisturizing, and a little bit goes a long way. Cream is just awesome, and I really hope you guys give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Mwah!